So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Today in this video I'll be unboxing the Logitech G102 LightSync gaming mouse. So let's see what all things do we get in the box. And yeah, this side Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech. Let's get started. This is the box that you will receive if you order this product from Amazon. So talking about the front side, you have the branding of Logitech and the model name. On top you don't have anything much. On the bottom you have some details. On the other side you have the specification of this product. And on the right side you again have the model name. On the back side you have the detailed explanation of the things that it has and also from where it has been manufactured and all those details. Obviously the price keeps on changing. You can check the Amazon link in the description to get the actual price for which I have bought. Yeah, it was quite difficult to open this product, but finally. So here is the mouse that we have. Let me pull this out first, and yeah, here it goes. Let's keep this down and see if we have anything else in this. So we have a paper inside, maybe that's the user manual. Yeah, and nothing else in the box. So let's keep this box aside and see the product that we have. Okay, so going through the user manual first to see if there is any things mentioned that I need to highlight. Okay, so the user manual is quite small. You can see that it looks big because they have given the same instruction in different languages. Let's fold this and keep this aside as of now. And let's focus on the mouse that we have. So first thing, the cable and the USB. So this is a normal USB as compared to the previous one which I bought. That one was having a gold plated one, so nothing much about this because it hardly differs in the performance. The look and feel of this product is really good. It has a matte coating, also it is shining as of now, but I have heard that this matte coating goes off with the time. But yeah, as of now it looks really good. It has too many buttons on it. To mention it specifically, it has 6 buttons in total, including the DPI switch. On the bottom you have the padding which helps you to use this mouse properly for gaming. And talking about the cable, the good thing is that it doesn't have the braided one because it creates unnecessary problems that messes with the aim. So yeah, that was all about this product. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.